Recently in my Discord cook group, I've seen an intense wave of people rushing to get the Panini Prizm football cards to find the autographed Trevor Lawrence rookie card in hopes of a big payday. Over the course of this video, I'm gonna try to make some money by diving into the insane world of sports cards collectibles by trying to find these packs and trying to flip them for profit. Bro, people are paying insane amounts for sports cards and have been for decades. Like, bro, here's a screen recording videos of all the cards that's just sold in the last couple days, bro, which shows you that the collectibles market is 100% real. Break down how it works pretty simply. All the major sports, soccer, football, baseball, and basketball, all have sports cards that release yearly. Now, where the value of said card comes into play usually is when it's limited, rare, or a specific player's rookie card. Now, I've always known about the collectibles world, but I had no clue that the everyday person with the time, the initial startup money, and even an interest in sports itself could get in and make some money. And with the Panini Prizm NFL cards dropping this summer, I knew this was the perfect time to get in. Before I went to search for these cards, I needed to know as much about them as possible. Like, why these cards? What makes them so valuable? How do I know if I get something rare? Either way, after checking and seeing that they were pretty much wiped out online and there was no stock available anywhere, I couldn't wait too long. I had to get on the road and see if my local Walmart had them. I was told by knowledgeable members from the group that it is very possible that they're sitting on shelves in certain areas where collecting maybe isn't so popular. And so I got in the car, headed to my nearest Walmart, and these cards were the first thing I seen. However, there was a lady stocking them that had it roped off, and so in line I went. All right, so we are here in line, bro, and honestly, a line is starting to form. I had no clue, but hey, let's get it. After the rope was let loose, everything was being grabbed, as there was no limit to what someone can buy in Walmart. So all that was left for me was 2 silo packs and a blaster pack. What's your name, bro?
Meaty.
Got my boy Meaty. Man, look, while I was standing in line, he pretty much taught me pretty much everything I knew prior to the preliminary information that I did know. So next time, what should we go for? If there's somebody out there that you know, who's interested in getting into this, like, what would you tell them? How would you tell them to start?
I would say start small. You know, maybe start, like you said, with the Prizm stuff. That's probably the most popular. Football is probably the #1 thing to go with. Basketball would be #2.
Okay.
Baseball is popular as well.
Right.
There's just so many different products you just gotta look out.
Right. Okay. All right, man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you again, brother.
Good to meet you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, so we're back and we got the merchandise, bro. Like I said, I was able to get 1 blaster box and 2 silos. The reason why you only see 1 is because, bro, I was too excited and I opened up a pack on the way home. Real quick, before I open these, I'm just gonna make sure that I'm not one of those people who wanna sell the box, right? So I'm gonna go on eBay. All right, and so what we're simply gonna do is come here to eBay and we're gonna search for the Panini Prizm 2021 blaster box. And of course, we're gonna do NFL, right? And so boom, you see that these are going for it looks like about 60 bucks, but we're gonna go ahead and sort it by sold items. It looks like they're going for around, I see a C here. All right, and so we see 1 sold for 50 bucks. So honestly, so we're seeing them go from anywhere from 50 bucks to 500 bucks, 90 bucks, like you name it. Because see, the idea with these boxes is if you hold them and you sell the box like this, then you can quickly just double your money or triple your money. And also, let's say you want to hold it. As time goes on, this box is going to become more valuable, right? Because in a couple months, there's not going to be too many of these unopened even in the market, because they're going to drop these over the course of months. Like, this isn't something that's going to be available all year, which is why there was such a craze for it. So, after thinking long and hard, bro, I think it's more exciting to go ahead and rip these open and go through the cards and see if we find something. So that's what we're about to do. All right, now, before I crack these open, I actually did a little reading about what I'm looking for. And I'm gonna include the link as far as just a guide on the rarity, which ones are rare, which ones are valuable. And I'm telling you, I'm starting to see why these Prizm cards are so valuable, simply because of, you know, the designs, how complex they are, the players, you know, the gear and everything like that. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so right here we have the booster Panini pack right here. All right, nice and sealed. We got one of the still sealed silos, and then we have the cards from the silo that I already opened. And so we're gonna go ahead and go through these just so, number one, I can kind of show y'all what's in here, but number two, just to kind of show y'all more so like what we're looking for. And keep in mind, bro, I'm still learning. I'm still somewhat of a beginner. So first, what I notice about all these cards, bro, is like they're holographic. All right, so here I have what I believe is a base Terrell Davis. At first I was like, bro, Terrell Davis is definitely not a rookie. Terrell Davis is for sure like an NFL legend. So how is he in here? But they have him in there. But I believe this is a base. I believe that you have the base, you have the silver, then you have the colors, which we'll get into. But the actual silvers that you're looking for, I think the ones that do have some rarity are gonna kind of have like a holographic shine, and this just doesn't, you know what I mean? So I believe that is a base Terrell Davis. Then we have a red, white, and blue Denzel Ward. Okay, I don't know much about the value of this, and I'm actually, over the course of this video series, gonna like research this and look this up. If you know, tell me if this card is worth something. But you see how that holographic is like hitting off the card right there. I have a red, white, and blue Marshall Faulk. Okay, once again, I know that there's something to the red, white, and blue ones, but I'm not 100% sure. We have a red, white, and blue Sean Taylor. And I'm gonna separate the ones that I think have some value or mean something versus the ones that don't. All right, so this one, at first I thought, okay, this is just a base rookie card, because you see right here it says RC. I don't know if I can put that close up. Now I want to compare it to this one, right? You see how this one is actually like there's like a holographic hit off of it, and this one, it's not. It's just base silver. You know what I'm saying? Holographic hit, base silver, right? So I think that this one is actually the ones that they consider a silver, and it's a rookie card, right? So, oh, I'm fumbling the bag like a mug. So I'm gonna place this one over here. This is one that I'm gonna go ahead and hold on to. Why? Because not only is it a rookie card, it's a rookie quarterback, right? And before you say, bro, we don't know who this rookie quarterback is, we don't know this guy's name. If you go back to when Tom Brady was drafted, right? We didn't know his name, and just imagine if you had held on to that card. I'm definitely gonna hold on to that just in case. And then finally, we got the emergent rookie card of Jalen Waddle, which I'm also gonna put over here. So now we're gonna bust open another one of these silos. You got the regular pack, and then you have the bonus pack. JJ Watt, base JJ Watt though, still JJ Watt, so I'm gonna keep that in this pile. Walter Payton, that's interesting, gonna definitely keep that right there. Wow, a coach rookie card. I don't think I've seen one of these yet. Rex Ryan, definitely gonna keep that over here. I don't know what the green ones are, but I definitely got a green Kenneth Murray of the Los Angeles Chargers. So I'm gonna put this over here in this. And then I have a hype Jerry Jeudy card, right? So, bro, so far, these are some, like, just based off the design, based on what I'm looking at, these are some pretty nice cards, and I'm kind of already seeing why collectors, especially when you get the right one, why collectors are paying, you know, top dollar for them. Okay, in the bonus pack, we've got a red, white, and blue Darius Leonard, a red, white, and blue Anthony Barr, and a red, white, and blue Elijah Moore. Okay, I'm still mad I have not found one Dallas Cowboy yet. Anyway, now time to bust this blaster open. And like I said, we're making a huge decision by just not by opening the seal and opening this box instead of just selling it, because like I said, we could definitely get some money for this box just how it is right now. But all right, so we got a lot of packs, so let's go ahead and bust these packs down, man. That, and then we have, bro, an insane design rookie card. This one has like a weird, or not a weird, but a really cool holographic pattern over it. Let's go ahead and check out this next pack. We got, wow, bro, it's not a rookie card, but we have an orange Vince Young. Now, If you know anything about Vince Young was a pretty good quarterback, especially here in the state of Texas. You know, Vince Young is no longer here with us anymore, so that might even add to the value a little bit. Bro, y'all did not just give me a Kirk Cousins and then an orange Kirk Cousins. All right, next pack. And then we have a rookie card, Tommy Tremble. All right, so. And then boom, we got another Cowboy, my boy Ezekiel Elliott. Kevin Maway, but it's got that holographic overlay. It's not just base. Oh, he's a Hall of Famer as well. We have a brilliant Aaron Rodgers. After I opened them up and seen what I had, I noticed that all the pros were getting cards and protectors. So I hopped on Amazon and grabbed some and started putting all the ones that looked like they had some value inside of them. I pretty much got most of these in their case so y'all can see them right here. All right, and I want to kind of go over just thought process on some of these cards, right? Because you would even look at some of these cards and say, well, why would somebody want, you know, why would somebody want a base Terrell Owens, right? Well, here's the thing, bro. There's a collector out there probably who has every single Terrell Owens card. They might be a legit diehard Broncos fan, Terrell Davis fan, and you know, this is the only card they're missing out of their collection, right? That's where you could kind of get into some value. Other cards like this, you know, you got Jalen Waddle, which is, you know, an emergent. You got cards like this, you know what I'm saying? Once again, these are two base cards, but these are Hall of Famers, right? Especially a Walter Payton fan, a Chicago Bears collector who, once again, may not have this whole collection. And this is the thing. There are different variations of a card, right? So there's orange one, there's a red, white, and blue one, there's a gold one, there's all types of, you know, different variations of just this one card. And so there might be a collector out there who has the axe silver, who has the cracked ice, who has the red, white, and blue, and they just want to add this to their collection, right? I'm thinking, when I was looking around on eBay, that the best option is to just send these bad boys off, because it's kind of hard to just gauge the value. Like, probably gonna stay here just because I'm a Cowboys. Cards like this, you know, I was gonna toss that. I was gonna toss this card. Wait, can you see it? Yeah, I was gonna toss this card, but then I thought, like, bro, right now Sam Ehlinger right now is sort of a nobody rookie from Indy, right? Well, imagine going back to the year Tom Brady and getting a card like this and thinking, well, this guy's nobody. I'm gonna see what I'm saying. I'm gonna hold on to this in case. If you got someone like JJ Watt, who's a Hall of Famer, you're gonna keep that. Even though it is a base card, once again, it might have some value. Julio Jones, Hall of Famer, gonna keep that. I got Ty Laws in New England, and I know Patriots fans and memorabilia is legit, so I'm definitely gonna keep those. Also, when you're asking yourself, who am I looking for? What type of players am I looking for? Yo. You're looking for Trevor Lawrence, Mac Jones, Jamar Chase, Justin Fields, Trey Lance, Zach Wilson, Devontae Smith, Najee Harris, Kyle Pitts, Jalen Waddle, and Micah Parsons, right? As far as that list, I'm sorry, we got a Jalen Waddle. It is an emergent, but you know, it's still one of those that you're looking for. So those are the type of players you are looking for. And once again, any rookie cards and everything like that is what you're gonna try to grab. All right, so now we're gonna see what each one of these is worth. I noticed that even on the base card on eBay, you can get at least $1 for it. I've heard about other platforms like Whatnot, so I think the best option is to throw these up on eBay, start auctioning them off, and then see where we go from there. Either way, bro, I'm super excited to be diving into the sports card world, the collecting world, because based on the line I was in, looking at the people who were in those lines, there's really a difference in this market, and there's some real money in it. Episode 2 coming ASAP. Let's get it.